Quarter 1 CSS 10 Computer Operating Systems Part 2. An operating systems, or OS, in its most general sense, is software that allows a user to run other applications on a computing device. The operating system manages a computer's software hardware resources, including 1. Input devices such as a keyboard and mouse. 2. Output devices such as display monitors, printers, and scanners. Third, network devices such as modems, routers, and network connections. And last, storage devices such as internal and external drives. The OS also provides services to facilitate the efficient execution and management of and memory allocations for any additional installed software application programs. If several programs are running at the same time, such as an internet browser, firewall, and antivirus, the OS will allocate the computer's resources, memory, CPU, and storage to make sure that each one of them receives what is needed to function. Classification of operating systems. 1. Multi-user. Multi-user allows two or more users to run programs at the same time. Some operating systems permit hundreds or even thousands of concurrent users. Second, multiprocessing. Multiprocessing supports running a program on more than one CPU. Third, multitasking. Multitasking allows more than one program to run concurrently. Fourth, multi-threading allows different parts of a single program to run concurrently. And last, real-time. Real-time responds to input instantly. General-purpose operating systems, such as DOS and Unix, are not real-time. Most popular desktop operating systems. The three most popular types of operating systems for personal and business computing include Linux, Windows, and Mac. 1. Windows. Microsoft Windows is a family of operating systems for personal and business computers. Windows dominates the personal computer world, offering a graphical user interface or GUI, virtual memory management, multitasking, and support for many peripheral devices. Second, Mac. Mac OS is the official name of the Apple Macintosh operating system, or Mac OS. Features a graphical user interface or GUI that utilizes windows, icons, and all applications that run on a Macintosh computer have a similar user interface. Third, Linux. Linux is freely distributed open source operating system that runs on a number of hardware platforms. The Linux kernel was developed mainly by Linus Torvalds and it is based on Unix. Fourth, mobile operating system. In the same way that a desktop OS controls your desktop or laptop computer, a mobile operating system is the software platform on top of which other programs can run on mobile devices. However, these systems are designed specifically to run on mobile devices such as mobile phones, smartphones, PDAs, tablet computers, and other handhelds. Popular mobile operating systems include iPhone OS, iOS, and Android OS. The mobile OS is responsible for determining the functions and features available on your device, such as thumb wheel, keyboards, WAP, synchronization with applications, email, text messaging, and more. The mobile OS will also determine which third-party applications or mobile apps can be used on your device. According to netmarketshare.com, the most used desktop operating system and versions used on PCs or desktop and laptops from January to November 2019 are Windows 87.40%, Mac OS 10.06%, Linux 1.95%, Chrome OS 0.39%, Unknown 0.20%, and BSD 0.01%.